Hello, and welcome to the second episode of us making a zombie game with the first person shooter. So, in the first episode, we talk about how to create a project and how we actually created the blueprint classes. Today, we're going to go ahead and import sources. So, we're going to go ahead and first of all, open our project. Again, I'm using 5.0.3, which is the one before the current version. Wait until it load. And here we have our project. Since last time, didn't touch anything. And of course, if you hit play, nothing happened. Punch in the keyboard or controller, nothing happened. So what we're going to be adding, we're going to go ahead and import assets from other projects and from the marketplace. Everything you're going to be using for this game is going to be free, so you don't have to spend any money. Um, so go ahead and open Unreal Engine launcher again and wait until it loads real quick. So if you go to samples, again using the newest update, probably if you have another one, it has a different name. And then if you scroll all the way down, shooter game. So pretty much we're gonna take some asset from this shooter game sample, and then we're gonna implement it into our project. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that one. I already have it downloaded. If not, go ahead and create your own project. So once you click created, make sure you save it where you would like in your computer. And then I have it right here. So go ahead and open it. Wait until it loads. There you go. So this is pretty much the shooter game. We're not going to take the whole game, but we're going to go ahead and take some asset out of it. So what we're going to be taking is the character because it's the first person shooter. So we're going to use the arms, and then I'm going to use the effects, and then we're going to use sounds, and the animations. So the animations, we're going to be using all that, which we'll go in depth later in the other sections of the course. So once you're here, we're gonna do this. We're gonna right click and then show and explore, and then go back to the content, and then we're gonna open your original project, and we're gonna do the same. So from here, go ahead and show and explore, and then content. Now we're gonna have both folders. So this is your the project they're working on, and this is the shooter game. So what we're gonna be taking is the animation. We copy that and we paste it here, and we're gonna be ahead and take the characters. And we're gonna paste it here. We're gonna also take the effects and add them here. And lastly, we're gonna take the sounds and add them to our project. Once you have everything added, we can go ahead and close both folders, and you can go ahead and close the game as we don't longer need it. If you go back to our game, you're going to see that all of them got implemented into your project. So the character, here's the first person shooter, you see the arms. You're going to take a while to implement the colors. And then you will see the animation, as I mentioned earlier, which we're going to be using later. For example, going to be using a lot of those animations down the road. Okay, once this is done here, what I would like to do is I can create a new folder and maybe call it uh, others for now. And then maybe we can move all the ones that we added to that one. So make sure we keep our things are clean. We can also add the starter contact to that one and then just move it here, move it here. Usually, when you move things around, you need to be very careful of moving them because sometimes it will tell you the project setting might be reflected. But because we haven't started anything, and if we have a problem down the road, we can fix it together. While this thing is updating, the other thing we can do is get another content from the store. As you see, everything got moved under other. The starter contact stayed here, which is no problem, but we have all the other ones here. Um, go ahead and get rid of that. Should we just keep it? I know everything got moved over there. That's fine. They're probably gonna go away later once this shader's completed. Anyways, the other thing that we're gonna be going is if you go to the marketplace, and then again we're gonna go ahead and use free assets. So if you go to the free products, by the way, if you come once a month to the market, you will have all those free contacts for free, and you can just buy them, and they will be added to your library. I would recommend everyone to do so, like put a reminder or something, and you can get it from there for free. So, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and add the weapons, and if you go ahead and click on free, and then on the search product, you're gonna go ahead and add um, military weapons. Oh, it did not come up. We're gonna try again. Okay. So as you guys see, we have the military weapon darks and the military weapon silver. I would go ahead and click on the silver, and you will see have all kind of weapons right here as a pistol, machine gun, shotgun, and a rifle, and a rocket launcher. So once this is done, you're gonna go ahead and add to a project. Now this is was created back on an older version, and if you don't see a project, that's no problem. You'll go ahead and click on show all projects, and then you click on the first person shooter zombie 01. That's the one that we named on the first episode. You're gonna go ahead and choose the least version, the one that they had, and then you just go ahead and add to project. And then once it's adding, you can minimize that, and here they are. And as you see, there's the weapons, and just to make sure that we have all of them here, see the rifle and launcher, the knife, pistol, and everything. So pretty much this is it for this episode. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate your help with that. Until next time.